Hey Tornadors! Welcome to the ultimate Guess the Drink by Emoji quiz. Can you get all 50 right? Let's find out. Drop your score in the comments. Before starting, subscribe for more fun games. Let's start. What do you think this drink is? It's mint tea. Can you guess this one? Tropical coconut drink. Do you know what this drink is called? Iced lemonade. What's your answer for this drink? It's peanut milk. Can you recognize this one? It's kiwi juice. Can you figure out what drink this is? Melon milkshake. What about this one? Strawberry chocolate shake. Tropical smoothie. It's grape lemonade. Apple honey tea. It's affogato. Can you identify this beverage? It's slushy. Can you guess this one? Cookies and milk. It's detox juice. Honey apple juice. Do you know what this drink is called? Watermelon pineapple smoothie. Can you figure out what drink this is? Hawaiian punch. What do you think this drink is? Orange honey tea. Can you guess this one? It's mocha. Can you recognize this one? Blueberry lemonade. What about this one? Peach berry smoothie. Banana coconut shake. Can you identify this beverage? Beachside cooler. What's your answer for this drink? Flaming cocktail. Can you guess this one? Strawberry lemonade. Can you figure out what drink this is? Peanut banana shake. What do you think this drink is? Green detox smoothie. Can you identify this beverage? Coconut mango smoothie. Can you guess this one? Grape cherry juice. Do you know what this drink is called? Carrot apple juice. What's your answer for this drink? Herbal honey tea. Can you recognize this one? Honey banana smoothie. Can you figure out what drink this is? Lemon coconut drink. Chocolate coconut shake. Apple carrot juice. What do you think this drink is? Cucumber lemon water. Chill pineapple cooler. Avocado smoothie. Pineapple lemonade. Can you guess this one? Banana berry tropical smoothie. Can you figure out what drink this is? Mixed berry juice. Can you identify this beverage? Ultimate detox juice. Apple ginger juice. What's your answer for this drink? Irish coffee. Do you know what this drink is called? Strawberry ice cream shake. What do you think this drink is? Summer cooler. Chocolate coconut smoothie. Apple mango smoothie. Carrot orange juice. Pineapple strawberry smoothie.